Good humans, Al Too Smooth, the mountain biker here. The adventure continues. Last we left off, we were in Columbia, South Carolina, and we made a special little visit to one of the most slinkiest places I've ever heard of, and it turns out that it was Wet Willie's. That's right. We went to a bar, and let me tell you, this place was really, really fancy. I kid you not. It was a visit unlike any other. But we gotta keep going forward. We are moving on with part 2 of our adventure, and you already know what's coming next. Grab your water bottle, get your helmet, and let's go. Oh, that's right. Cue the freaking intro. Now, I tell you, they said this is a boardwalk. I've never been here. Like I always tell you guys are going to get it the same way I'm getting it, raw and uncut. Woo! Me and Dean here, we in here. And we had one hell of a trip getting here, but we managed to make it, and look at that, you guys. This is crazy. This is crazy. Check that out. This is insane. Who, Uncle Winnie, you're gonna have to just call back, bro. My uncle, I can see my watch. My Uncle Winnie's calling me, but right now, I'm enjoying a little bit of shredding. Uncle Winnie, I'll give you a call back. Excuse me, beautiful people. Oh no, you don't gotta run out of the way. Excuse me. All right, decision-making time. We're either gonna go left or right, or we keep going straight. Yeah, you guys figure it out. We're gonna go that way. Oh, my bad, excuse me. Y'all come on by. It's pretty wet? Yeah, it's obviously the way I need to be going then. Yeah. All right, let's make this right turn, come on. I did not know this was back here, you guys. Absolutely freaking beautiful. This is insane. I swear this is insane. Look at this. Look at this. This is what I drove almost 2 hours to come experience. Now, we don't have a whole bunch of time, but we're gonna make it last. So we're gonna make that, excuse me, good humans. We're gonna make it work. I've never been here or on this boardwalk whatsoever. I've never experienced any of this. Like I said, you guys are getting it the way that I'm getting it. And wow. You guys, friggin' wow. Look at that. This is nuts. Look at this. I am glad I decided to get out, stop being sad, and bring my tail. Look at this. This is crazy. This is crazy. This is crazy, crazy. Uh-oh, excuse me. All right. So since we're exploring today, we're not gonna be doing too much because it's gonna get dark in a minute. And I am not trying to be out here while it's freezing or it gets dark. But check that out, you guys. This was what the surprise was. Now, I didn't have enough battery to get any decent B-roll for you guys, but I'm gonna still attempt to make it work. I would have never thought that this place existed. This place is amazing. I needed this. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, wow. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. I'd have never known this place existed. Now, for all intents and purposes, I try to get as much B-roll as I can get, but I'm limited with my battery power. So I wanted to make sure that you guys were here for the most important part, and that's exploring this place. We could do B-roll. I got a few spots in here that I've gotten some footage from, but you guys, this is absolutely insanity. Wow, right? Glad I decided to come. Wow. Wow, it's like the boardwalk just goes and goes and goes. Okay, where we at? We can't be out here too long. It just goes and goes. I swear it just goes. Oh man. Wow. Wow. This place is absolutely amazing. Now, for the fact that I have a short battery time and the sun is actually setting, I'm not gonna be back here too long. But I do want to see what's what. Like, I've never been to a boardwalk that is this extensive. I haven't. And look at this. This is definitely a swamp. Like you guys know I like exploring the swamplands, right? But this right here, let me take you over. That right there. Is that not crazy or what? This is amazing. This is amazing. This is absolutely amazing. What do you think? You just want to ride, huh? Wow. All right, so I normally would stop and, you know, do something crazy, but this doesn't look like the type of place where you want to get off of your bike. And I don't think I'm gonna. Oh, wow, look at that. This place is honestly amazing, you guys. This place is crazy. You know, I would almost say this was ideal for a date. Yeah. How y'all doing? Excuse me. Nice camera. This is definitely a place ideal for a date, or date. I wouldn't say date night. Oh, look at that. That's a big tree. I wouldn't say date night, but definitely a date. It's beautiful back here. And I swear to you, there are some places that I just, you know, my sense of adventure, stumbling across this was unexpected. Uh-oh, is that a hill? 16, okay, all right, never mind. Let's keep going. That is an actual descent. You know, I'm probably gonna catch hell trying to get out of here. Oh, look at that. Ooh, wee. It is definitely in gator country. Reptiles are not really keen to coming out during the winter, so check that out, y'all. The sunset. So I got all my lighting. We're probably gonna have to put extra lights on. Oh, excuse me. How y'all doing?
Good, how are you?
Absolutely fantastic. Look at that. Look at, I mean, just look where the sun is sitting at. This is crazy. Like, I know I'm talking like a tourist. There's a rest area here. I know I'm talking like a tourist, and I said I was gonna turn around like maybe 3 miles ago. I don't feel like I want to turn around, like I'm not ready. But forgive me for the lack of B-roll now. I think that I'm gonna turn around and head back because I have my lights and stuff. I do have my light running, and I have my extra just in case of an emergency. But check that out, y'all. Ain't that crazy? Is that not nuts? Look at all this freaking water. Here, let me get a little closer here. Well, who would have known? Listen at that. Oh, here, listen, listen. Ugh. Wow. Oh, wait, this way. Oh, they're in a tree right there. I see them. Huh. That is very interesting. All right, you guys. Well, we're almost to the end of this boardwalk, and I'm gonna have to turn around and head back. But I do want you guys to just experience it. It's really beautiful. It is. Look at this side. It's just too bad there's like no real area to just kind of get out and whoa, it's flooded. I don't think I would get down and go that way. But you know, the camera doesn't do it any justice. You guys should be here. And not to mention that I am kind of cheating by riding the bike. Oh wait, there's a drop right there. Let's see. That looks like that. Oh, wait, that does go out there. Wait a minute, we might have a little more time to explore. Hang on just a second. I want to see where that goes. Can y'all see it? It looks like it drops down in there. If that does, that is definitely the chosen path. Let's see. Oh, it does. Oh, it does. Okay, I'm going through there. Let's see. Ugh, hang on. Ugh. Oh, oh. Oh, shit. It's flooded. It's flooded, y'all. I think I can get a little closer, but it's flooded. Lake Ordnance Trail. It's flooded. Oh, wow. All right. I'm just gonna go a little further. It's flooded, so mind you, it's flooded. Okay. Okay, you guys, this is super flooded. So we're gonna keep this really careful. I don't want no trouble. And it looks like the more I get, the higher the water gets there. Me and Dean are not gonna have a good time if we end up falling in this crap. Ooh, look at that. Ugh. All right, concentration. Wow. Oh, that looks really bad. Okay, I'm not liking this now. I don't like this. Man, that trail goes further. I don't like this. This is definitely making me feel a little unsafe. Oh man, I don't want to come zooming through here, but I'm feeling a little uneasy about these paths now. You hear that creaking? Yeah, that's enough for me to turn around right there. All right, a little more. Look at that. Wow. You guys, this is crazy. All right, y'all, look at that. Look how flooded this, look how close this freaking water is. And me and Dean back here by ourselves. Okay, I'm gonna focus. I'm really nervous. Okay, maybe not anymore. All right, we getting, all right, okay. Like, I was really nervous to go that way. Like, you guys are seeing it as I am. I was really nervous to go that way. I swear to you I was. Oh wow, look at that. Oh wait, is that rushing water? Oh wow. Okay, now I'm concerned. Okay, nice and easy. Oh wait, look at that. This is beautiful, you guys. This is beautiful. I just had, I had to waste all my little time and light, huh? Now the question is, oh shit, it is flooded. Look at that, y'all. All right, I'm not gonna go any further. It's flooded right there. Ugh. Can y'all see it? It's flooded. Me and Dean can't go any further. It's flooded. We're gonna have to turn around and go back. Maybe I could cross through there. I might be able to get through there. Let me see. How thick is that water? Let's see. Me and Dean may be able to get through there. If we get through there, this will take us all the way back to where we started from what I'm seeing with the maps. Look at that. All right. The real question is, can I keep up my pace and go through here, or is this the ground? That's the question. Yeah, that's flooded. We're not gonna make that. Yeah, we're definitely not gonna make that. All right, we gotta turn around and head back. I really feel confident that I could cross that. I do. I have the equipment. I just don't want to chance it and then I fall in there. Last thing I need is a freaking infection. Oh, what is that? Oh, a leaf. All right, well, I guess we'll turn it around, you guys. Ay. Okay, you guys, we made it to the end. Check that out. My battery's about to die, so I don't have very much, but I wanted you guys to see this. This is absolutely beautiful. This is the end of it. Now, it was flooded where we got to, but we made it to the end of it, and I wanted you guys to see it before I ran out of battery. And man, is this place beautiful. Look at Dean looking sexy. And look at the colors. Look at the colors. The colors are crazy. Are they not? Now, I just ran into a lady who ran back up in that other area back there. She's probably gonna turn around and jog back, but okay, we gotta get back. Now, I look at that, y'all. That is just beautiful. That's crazy, isn't it? All right, y'all, we gotta get back. I swear to you, I don't wanna be out here and lose light. So we're gonna haul butt and hightail it back up there. And I'll see you guys when we get back to the car, all right? All right, I'll see you in a second.